It can be daunting to start an extensive outdoor living project in your backyard, especially if that vision includes a pool. Pools are the ultimate yard enhancer, but the process often requires a significant amount of time and sometimes a serious investment. That's why it's important to understand the first step in the process, the design stage. Today, we're going to walk you through the processes of getting through the pool design stage. Step 1 of the design stage is called discovery. During this stage in the process, you'll meet with our staff at our design studio where we're going to learn more about you, your vision, your projected dream, budget, and any objectives that are important to you. If it sounds like something that is a good fit for both you and for us, we'll continue by selecting the best design package option for you. Oftentimes when people come to High Prairie, they're also looking for the other features in the outdoor living space, the landscape, patios, outdoor kitchens. By working with High Prairie, we'll provide you that comprehensive package. Once you've identified the package that works best for you, we get to work. Step 2 of the pool design process is the site analysis and concept design creation. During this step, our design team will visit your property where they'll perform a comprehensive analysis, a drainage assessment, ensure the architecture of your property matches the style that you're looking for or provide constructive suggestions, and do a complete survey and analysis of all surrounding obstacles, existing elements, and potential issues with the design. Sometimes unknown things such as setback regulations or utilities need to be taken into effect before we determine locations for pools. Step 3 of the pool design process is the concept presentation. We call this the concept presentation because you haven't yet gotten time to provide feedback and further details. During this presentation, you'll meet with your designer back at the studio where they'll present to you a design complete with 2D renderings and 3D views so that you can make educated decisions on the direction of the project. During this part in the meeting, once you've arrived at a concept you're happy with, you'll begin visiting with your designer about some ballpark budget ranges. Sometimes during this meeting, those ranges can be established then. Other times, depending on the amount of changes required, it may require a follow-up meeting or phone call. Step 4 of the process is concept budget estimates. We call them estimates at this phase because the pool has not yet been engineered and architecturally stamped. That means that we can get the proposal super close to formalized, but there are some finite details we still have yet to get through. During this part of the process, we meet with you again and/or schedule a remote meeting if that's more convenient for you, and we review the projected cost of the project. At this point in time, we're able to allow material allowances, material selection ideas, and all those types of things. If you approve those budget ranges and feel that the project was within the spending expectations you anticipated, we then progress to a potential additional stage, which includes architectural renderings and engineered drawings. Because most cities require architectural renderings and engineered drawings, there are often additional investments associated with this step. If you determine that you'd like to proceed, this is the point where we introduce our architectural engineering team to the process. This is an additional investment beyond your conceptual design drawings and can range anywhere in price from $500 all the way up to $10,000 for resort-style estate pools. That's a significant investment, which is why we go by the book and let you know that fee on the front end so you can determine if you'd like to pursue it. Step 5 of the process typically begins approximately 3 to 4 weeks after the architect or engineer has been engaged in the project. It usually takes the engineer and architectural team 3 to 5 weeks to return our pool drawings back to us. Once they return those drawings, we take 48 hours to review all of their specifications and make the minor modifications to the conceptual estimate we provided. At that point, the conceptual estimate now becomes a formalized estimate and formal proposal that you'll have the opportunity to approve, ask for revisions, or deny. We'll meet, we'll discuss materials at this point, any suggestions that the architect had, and go from there. But at this step 5 in the process, you now have a formal design, architecturally approved drawings, which will be required for your city and potentially your community, and a formal proposal for you to engage in the work if you so choose. The beautiful thing about it, once you make that approval, High Prairie is also your certified pool builder and general contractor. You don't have to look anywhere else. We're already going to be ready to execute the project beautifully.